How to get AirFrance Miles. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can get AirFrance Miles easily on your AirFrance account. So kindly watch and sit back and watch to the end so that you don't miss any important information. So how do you go about it? The first step is to sign into your AirFrance account by typing www.airfrance.com. Then once you're signed in and logged in, you're brought to your account page. Now, how do you know that you are on the home page? Once you move to the top right corner, then you see your profile name and your icon. That means that this is your account, and then you see your language, you see your country. Then by the left side, you see options like book a flight, check in, my booking information, and you next to the Air France logo, you would see three dots. Once you click on it, you see other options, things that you can carry out on your Air France account. So once you can see all of this, by the time you scroll down, you'll be able to book a flight. You can book a flight using money, or you can book a flight with miles, depending on how much miles you have in your account. So once you can see this and you click on continue, other options under the flights will be displayed. Now, for you to get Air France miles, you can earn miles whenever you fly. That's whenever you use Air France to book a flight. Okay. But also when you book a night at a hotel, when you rent a car, or when you pay for your daily expenses with your credit card, you are also eligible to earn miles. All right, this is because Air France has increased their reach such that they have partners everywhere in most locations where their airports are. So you can easily get more miles by booking a flight, by booking an hotel, by renting a car, etc. And then one thing you must notice is that your miles are valid for life as long as you get on an eligible flight at least once every 2 years. At least once every 2 years. I'm sure that's not too much. You can always get miles whenever you do this. So that is how it works. And then when you have many miles, you can always check it by moving to your accounts page, clicking on my profile, and then once you're on your profiles page, you can check out the amount of miles you want, and then you can also use it, yeah, how much of miles you have in this activity overview, and then you can use it to book flights if you want to. So that is how it works. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.